Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Finite number.
What does the dictionary say?
Capable of being completely counted, not infinite or infinitesimal.
Math rap.
When you're adding things up and want it right, your end result number will be finite. A number that can be measured has a value and an end. If you can count any amount, that total number's finite, my friend.
Math rap.
Explain finite numbers in your own words. What did the moon say to the sun? If finite you day. What does infinite mean? Search and record the meaning. What is the finite number of legs on a chair? On 3 chairs. On 12 chairs. What is the finite number of days in the month of February this year? What is the finite number of questions on this activity tool? Are your daily thoughts addable to a finite number? Why or why not? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!